Okay, I'm there again. Just noticed one video with Vybz Kartel. I promote him new concert and I promote him new liquor, which sparks a question when we've been wanting to ask for a while. Has anybody else realized there's a lot of drunken youths in Jamaica? Like nothing but alcoholics? Or is it just me? 2 years ago, before I played the Vybz Kartel thing, 2 years ago, I think me there at Jamaica and I could see some youth when me go to school with look older than ever. Every corner you go up and everybody have a rum buckle. You 2 rum buckle I done in in a like half an hour. And it's crazy. I know me see video yeah. Oh with YouTube. I'm gonna show you some data too. Based on Jamaica drinking. And again, this is just a freestyle off the top, no editing. Hopefully me can get some passion for really make some video how I wanna make it. But anyways, here we go. Vybz Kartel.
Is a personality beyond expectations.
Are you sending a message to other potential sponsors out there? Vybz Kartel is good for business?
I would say so.
I would say so too. Despite what you want to say. Even with the new concert, the influence you have. I say this man have people I work, I say them I work overtime in America. They might do a man of evil to get money to go to Kartel, sure. So yeah, you have people that work more than they ever work. So that's influence, if you ask me.
I would say so. When you meet and you understand the person is, as you said, he's a human being. Great man. We have sat with him on many occasions. Easy to have a conversation with, intelligent, smart.
Smart, I tell you, because he picture what's going on with the rum heads in the Jamaica and relaunch a new rum.
Eloquent. I rate him.
Vybz Kartel back in the rum business.
Yes, sir. Bigger and better. I mean, this.
Bigger and better. And he even have more clientele than ever before. Probably 1,000% whatever he have. So if he had 10,000 clients before, now you have 100,000. That's how you them a drink hard. And me have a theory there as to why that is too. I mean, I go slung it out like me at the moral police. I don't drink now. Maybe once in a blue. But you got Jamaica one beer $500 in a dance. Right? How much for rum? Then can get a quarter rum or whatever your measurement be. A liter, milliliter. For $2,000. You drink 4 beer and even get a buzz. So they might go a cheaper method, which is rum, which is
Street Vybz was that harsh, rough rum that represented Vybz Kartel at the time.
Almost medicinal.
Almost medicinal. This is fully medicinal. 200-year-old.
there we go. There goes the bullshit. Yeah, businessman. Everybody has a sell rum, all these big corporations. Alright, go ahead, do your thing. But when you gotta come up on the station with the influence and talk about medicinal. This is a drugs, people. It's an addictive drug. Just like any other drug. More destructive probably than most drugs. Right? When you're drunk, you really have no control over yourself. Alright, things what you do. So this is the bullshit. We have to talk about God first, blah, blah, blah. You have to push poison as medicine. Sell your rum, but at least don't say nothing. You know what I mean? If you ain't gonna call a spade, don't say anything. Just say, we have a rum. Done. The youth, them already messed up and I push poison as medicine and better medicine. Don't fall for that brainwash. Young youths, if this happens to come across your earwaves.
Rum factory, very distilled, very cured, made by family, and it's here for our family.
Here to destruct your family. That's what they can do. The phone will probably hear this when the parents break up because Papa was a drunk, Mama was a drunk, or whatever the case might be, alcoholism. That how no parents or family member die from alcohol, liver disease, that type of stuff. So be careful with the alcohol consumption, youth. I'm not here to guide you or whatever. You take a message how you feel like.
He's out, but it's been a while, well over a decade. Who's
See, nothing but cheer and influence. How can people praise one man like this? It's amazing to me. This is like no other influence I ever seen. This man was a convicted murderer, and look how Jamaica people are behave.
counting?
12 years, 10 months, 6 days.
Look at that. So then God come.
And 14 hours.
I don't know, man.
Yoga trainer, so we're doing yoga. We're doing
Yeah, so again, see stats here. Look. You know, I see much road accident happening in Jamaica. According to the Road Safety Unit, Jamaica recorded 425 road fatalities in 2023. This represents a 13% decrease when compared to the 488 fatalities reported for the corresponding period in 2022. And bear in mind, these are the ones that are not reported. This is just what's reported. We all know enough man crash and just drive down in here after dance. So imagine because most of the car fatalities is self-inflicted and most people was by themselves, drunk. So you have to be careful on these streets of Jamaica. When you drive, when you come from party, when you drive any time of night when you know there's big party cars, won't be a lot of drunken people on these streets. Especially with Christmas, New Year's and all these parties coming up, be careful on the streets and how you drive in Jamaica. And if I want a foreigner where I love going like on a big drive, I go show off at Jamaica and I go high speed for you, and I dip on the phone, I look on the phone and drink and drive. And I found no problem too. And I cause destruction in the country too. Y'all ain't no better kind of feel like you can go down there and go do anything and break all our laws. And the law not occur to you because you know, if you know running some corrupt cop where we take papers and take money. Again, we just do one video yesterday on corruption in Jamaica, so if you want to listen to that. Yeah, but hit the like, send the message out. Hopefully this may reach somebody and they might think twice before them take a run buckle. Alright, peace out. Till next time.